Plan ahead, decide what kind of exercise you want to do in the morning, whether it's yoga, jogging, or a home workout. Having a plan will make it easier to get started. Set a schedule, choose a specific time for your morning exercise, and stick to it. Consistency is key to making morning workouts a habit. Get adequate sleep, make sure you're getting enough sleep the night before. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep to ensure you wake up feeling refreshed and ready to exercise. Hydrate, drink a glass of water as soon as you wake up to rehydrate your body after a night's sleep. Staying hydrated is crucial for an effective workout. Warm up, start with a light warm up to prepare your muscles and joints for more intense exercise. This can be a few minutes of stretching or a short walk. Choose the right music, create a motivating workout playlist to get you in the mood for exercise. Upbeat music can boost your energy and motivation. Dress appropriately, wear comfortable workout clothes and appropriate footwear. Being dressed for the part can make your exercise routine more enjoyable. Set realistic goals, whether it's a certain number of push-ups, a longer run, or holding a yoga pose. Set achievable goals for your morning exercise. Mix it up, variety can keep your morning routine interesting. Try different exercises and activities to prevent boredom and plateaus. Listen to your body, pay attention to how your body feels. If you're too tired or sore, it's okay to go for a lighter workout or even skip a day. Rest is essential for recovery. Stay consistent, it takes time to build a habit. Be patient with yourself and keep going, even if you miss a day or two. Consistency is more important than perfection. Post-workout nutrition after your morning exercise. Have a balanced breakfast to replenish your energy. Include a mix of protein, carbohydrates, and healthy fats. Enjoy the outdoors if possible, exercise outdoors. Morning fresh air and natural light can be invigorating and improve your mood. Stay motivated, find a workout buddy or join a fitness community to stay motivated and accountable. Track your progress, keep a workout journal or use a fitness app to track your progress. Seeing improvements can be motivating. Reward yourself, treat yourself to a small reward after a successful morning workout, like a favorite breakfast or a few minutes of relaxation. Remember, the most important thing is to find an exercise routine that you enjoy and that fits your lifestyle. Morning exercise can set a positive tone for the day, but it should be something you look forward to, not a chore.